This is number 81, problem solving. Alright, so I'm going to kind of write as I read. So I've got machine A and machine B produce 800 nails in X hours. That's if they're working together. So I've got machine A, machine B, and I've got together. And I've got their time. I'm going to call this next column rate. It represents the time when a machine's working with another machine. So together they can produce 800 nails in X hours. So together is X. Working alone in constant rate, machine A produces 800 nails in Y hours. In terms of X and Y, how many hours does it take machine B working alone? So I'm trying to find this. So the 800, since they're all producing 800 nails, that doesn't come into effect. So if you want to, the way you determine the rate for machine A working with other machines, it's just 1 over Y. It's reciprocal. And I'll call this Z. We're trying to find Z. So that would be 1 over Z for B's rate. And then 1 over X for together. So your equation is 1 over Y plus 1 over Z. It's plus because machine A and machine B are working together. And that has to equal the together time. And that's 1 over X. So we want to solve for Z. So let's clear our fractions first by multiplying every term on both sides by X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. So every term on both sides. So here the Y's cancel. And you're left with XZ times 1. Plus here the Z's cancel and you're left with XY. And on the right hand side the X's cancel and you're left with YZ. And then I ask myself, what am I trying to find? Well, I'm trying to find Z. I've got a Z here and a Z here. Let's get those terms on the same side. XY equals YZ minus XZ. Trying to solve for Z, but I see Z in 2 places. I'd like to see it in 1 place. So let's factor it out of those 2 terms since it's common. And now I've got XY, divide both sides by Y minus X. And that will give me Z. That's answer E.